been in my home for about 2 years and there are still blank walls that really need decor. But I don't really want to spend a whole lot of money on decor because I like to change it up. So I don't want to really invest a lot of money in that area since I've spent a lot of money just purchasing the house. This year I really want to save a lot of money, and I'm going to start by making wall art in different areas of my home. So today I wanted to make wall art for my powder room. I actually saw this idea in a model home. Let me show you what the picture looked like. I thought this wall art was simple to make. It's very interesting, which I like. Very different, and I have not seen this in stores. So I'm going to show you the steps that I took just in case you wanted to make something similar. Let's go ahead and dive right in.
First, let's start creating the circles that go on the inside of the frame. To do this, take out 2 sheets of parchment paper and 3 sheets of wax paper. Simply place 1 piece of parchment paper on the bottom, followed by 3 sheets of wax paper, and then add another sheet of parchment paper on top. The goal here is to fuse the wax paper together. I'm going to slowly go over the parchment paper with my mini iron, but you could also use a regular iron here instead. Here's how the paper should look afterwards. Next, we need to make round circles. I have a circle punch here and I'm planning to use it, but if you don't have that, you could use something around the house like a coffee pod or the top of a round vase like this. Simply trace around your shape with a pencil and cut it out with your scissors. Now that we have our circles, it's time to add a little gold to it. So what I'm going to do is take a small stick and place it halfway on the circle. Then take the metallic gold marker and add gold on one side of the circle like this. Once you're finished, place them on the side to dry for a couple of hours. Let's add the fabric inside the frame. This is the frame that I'm going to use for this project. I purchased this frame from IKEA for around $25. I like this one because it has a mat on the inside, and that's what we need for this particular project. Let's take out all the contents inside the frame. What I did off camera was cut a piece of poster board the same size as the backboard of the frame. Now I want to be able to easily change out the inside of the frame, so I'm going to cover the poster board with a gray linen fabric. Instead of gluing it down, I'm going to staple the fabric to the poster board. Next, place the mat on top and start positioning the circles where you would like to have them. Without moving the mat, I am going to place the circles down in different directions to create some variation. Now that I have them in place, I'm going to add a small bead of glue on the back side to secure it to the fabric. If you notice, I'm placing the bead of glue under the gold side. Afterwards, it's time to put the frame back together and hang it on the wall. Here's what the powder room looked like before, and now look at it. It's amazing to see how much wall art enhances the space.
And found the information helpful. If you have any questions, just drop it in the comment section below. Be sure to give this video a like and share with others that need the inspiration.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, try watching this one.